Hey YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Adventure Biker, and behind me I've got Duke on the bike. And he probably doesn't know this, but I can record the chat for the Cardinals.
Oh, can you?
Aye. So what you think about doing ABR next year?
I definitely am. Because I missed out on this year, well, just because there was so many other things going on. And when I seen like all the videos of it that are there, it looks awesome, but I think like you, I would want to do some of the trails, and I don't really want to take this on the trails.
Yeah.
So I might, like you, probably get something different. Keep this, like, I'm not getting rid of this.
Aye, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting another Africa Twin. I'm going to get one of the reissue first generation ones.
Aye, I seen your video on that, and then it doesn't matter quite so much. Are they dear?
No, you can pick one up for about, depending on the mileage, probably in between about £3.5 to £5 grand.
All right, that's a lot of bike for the money, isn't it?
Well, that's what I said on my channel. I've seen first generation Africa Twins with less mileage in my bike. There was one in one of the Honda shops. It was a 2017 and it had only done 5,000 mile.
Bloody hell.
I've done
If you can,
4 times that amount.
have you got a standard can on that?
Yep. Yeah, it's just a standard one. Doesn't sound like it, what does it?
It doesn't at all.
I don't know if maybe I've damaged it. Because a lot of people say to me, is that just a standard can? I went, aye, this is fucking... But
No, it doesn't.
normally with bikes I normally fucking customise them to fuck, but because I take this to Europe, and Germany and Switzerland are quite
strict.
Yeah, if you've got an aftermarket can, you need to have the paperwork with it to prove
right.
to prove that it's EU, and so it's certain decibels and all that. So I didn't want to go down that route, so I just left it.
Aye, it sounds throaty enough. This is nice too.
That's Kalimoto for you. I love Kalimoto. I just love going out myself and putting in a destination, see where it takes me.
No, I was going to say there's some kind of bird of prey up there.
Or as my other brother calls it, a hockey hang. Did you see that in that video?
I did.
Fucking hell, man. Fucking hockey hang. Fucking hell. That's my other brother. That's the one between me and Gary.
Right.
That's a good
Your
thing.
bike reviews were quite good.
Oh, did you like them, did you?
Aye. I should give you a shot of this and see what you think of this.
It's a BMW. Do I instantly get a prick card? I'm only joking. No.
If I can close enough, I could just flick your back wheel with it.
I would like to do a fucking review on a BM. I've not rode a BM GS since it was the 1100.
Alright, oh well. Oh, they're a million times better then. Because the 1100 was still an air-cooled thing, wasn't it? It was still the airhead.
Yeah. That was the last GS I ever rode, was the 1100 one.
Honestly, I think you'd quite like it.
Maybe that's why I've not took a shot at one, just in case I liked it a bit too much. Nah, I don't think I'd ever get rid of Big Jock.
No, you found something that suits you. This is nice, I like this.
These are the roads I like riding down all the time. That's how I'm never away from here.
And if you don't need to go very far across the border. You're into Kielder Forest as well, and there's some cracking roads there too.
I think that's a bit further, because I was looking at that last night, and that's a bit further away from me. That's about, for me to get to the Kielder Forest, I think it was about 2.5 hours or something.
Aye, it's a bit of a trail for you, but it's a bit of an hour for me. It's great.
But I found the roads on the way down that when I went down through the valley, there was loads of people camping down either side of it. Watch, car coming.
Yep. Another car coming?
Ah, fuck him. Fucking melt.
I know, a fucking BMW rider or driver.
Yes, I think if I was going to the Kielder Forest, I think what I would do was maybe come down here or further out towards that way, but still stay in Dumfries and Galloway and maybe camp it for a night.
Aye.
And then go in the morning, maybe.
I gave you a bed for the night, but I've only got the 2 bedrooms. You can camp in the garden if you like.
Camp in the garden. So what camping gear did you buy then?
The OEX, the one that you like.
Aye, I love
it. OEX.
I love OEX stuff, man. It's fucking brilliant.
OEX Hyena, I think it is. It's a wee 2-man hike tent. It folds up to fuck all.
Aye, that's why I like them, because because they're designed for hikers. You can fit them in your pan. I think it's a Hyena Stephen's got. I think it's a Hyena.
You were the reason I bought it.
Yeah.
When you did your wee camping thing, and you had said OEX is the way to go. You know, your secret camping ground.
I'm a keep it secret. My not so secret camping ground. What is this
He's
fucking melting?
He's letting us go.
Did you buy the expedition top weight as well?
I did, aye. So, I just thought, fuck it, I'm going to do it because I kind of went off camping, and then because I was getting older, and then I thought, well, the gear's a hell of a lot better than it used to be.
Yep.
So I've tried it out. I just went up Bennett Pass, where all the folk are camp up there. Tried it out for a night. It was fine.
What colours the tent? Is it green?
Green, aye.
So you get 2 versions. You get the blue version, which is more lightweight, but it's not as waterproof.
Aye, I've seen that. It's like 300, whatever, 3,000, whatever. And the one I've got is like 5,000.
Aye, 5,000.
Waterproof. Aye.
What airbed did you get? Did you get the Flux 5.0?
I really don't know. It's one that's got a kind of built-in pump. You just kind of pump it up with your hands.
Oh, right, aye. Aye, I think that's the one that's just slightly above the one that I've got.
Aye, it folds up into something about the size of a flask.
Aye, but the fucking OEX stuff's brilliant. I love it. I think
you're the reason I bought it.
I think Al the biker bought the Fox tent because of me as well. Because that tent he used to go all the way up to Glencoe, that's the tent that I went to the ABR with.
Ah, right.
So I did pretty much similar to my video, except I made the expedition top go a bit higher. So the bike, what I would suggest is buying some extra poles for your expedition top.
Right.
Because
just to build it up to get the bike under.
So you can basically make it like one of the lowrider tents.
Right, aye.
And you can buy, I think you can buy them online, or just buy a fucking set of poles for maybe Amazon or something. Doesn't have to be OEX tents. OEX poles.
Poles.
Too busy talking and didn't tell you about that big fucking hole there, sorry mate.
No, you're alright. Yep.
Did you buy yourself a cooking, one of the cooking cups as well?
Aye, the thing, I can't remember what it's called, keel fish or something fish. It's just everything fits inside it, and you just lift it out, screw the gas on the bottom, and away you go.
Yeah, I think that's the one that Stephen bought. I just bought the one with just a big cup on it. That's it.
Aye, that's the thing. It's like a, I don't know.
Aye, so it's called
About a pint and a bit or something.
Aye, there's two versions of it. So the one that my brother's got, did it come with a wee red stand for the gas canister?
Aye.
Aye, so that's the one my brother's got, which is the 1.5 litre one. Mine's the one below that, which is the one, just the 1 litre one. Aye, they're good and all, mate. Fucking makes you a cup of tea. Fucking, I think it's about fucking 30 seconds or something.
Aye, it's in no time at all. I've usually got it with me, but it was one of the things I took out when I arrived back at the house. I just lifted it out, because I normally carry a brew kit with me. But I took it out when I got to the house, and then I got your message. I'm going back out to play, honey.
The big scary Glaswegian's waiting for me. This is another road I've definitely not been down before. Come on, change your fucker.
Definitely one I've not been doing either.
Just put it back on, just put it in gravel mode just in case I fucking need to hit the brakes. Take the ABS off.
So you've put the ABS off, that's obviously puts your brake light or your back light on, does it?
No.
No?
No.
Oh no, it doesn't. It was just when you brake, it just looked brighter than normal. But you brake there, I'm just seeing things. It's because I put my sunshade up, that's what it is.
Aye, so if you're going through gravel, you don't want your ABS on.
No.
Yeah, because you end up fucking coming off, so... Oh, car coming. You fucking stay there, you fucking melt. Where the fuck am I going to go, you fucking... Jesus Christ, man. You know better, you fucking melt. Fuck you, honest to God, man. We were on the way down to the ABR, and it took us through... Can't remember what village it was. But the village was... The village had a fete on, so it took us up the mountain. So we've went up the mountain. A woman stops on the fucking hill on the way down the road to tell us that the road was shut, but then expected us to push our bikes down the hill. I'm like, are you fucking having a laugh? So would you just stop for? To tell yous that the village is shut. I said, do you not think we know that since we're coming up the fucking hill? Gary's pissing himself, man. I'm shouting and bawling at her. You fucking idiot.
Oh God.
Aye, fucking stops. And the thing is, it was a single track road as well. So there's a fucking pile of motors behind us. Trying to get up the hill.
What the hell are you going to do?
She stops. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? Fucking... You'll find somewhere to park, eh?
Park in front of the police station.
We'll park there. I'll need to go back and get fuel anyway before I head off. I need to go back that way. Oh. That's me. Started to head home. Had a wee meet up there with Duke on the bike. It was good to see him. Good wee catch up. Had a good wee conversation on the cardos on the way here. Here being Newton Stewart. So it was a good to get a catch up with him.